I found my very first lion's mane. It's what's for supper.
We're sauteing foraged shallots and carrots with olive oil.
Awesome.
And we have daikon radishes here that complement well foraged kale. We're going to put a bite of horseradish, and we're going to fry the mushrooms separately, lay the vegetables down, and then put the steaks on top for the serving,
Wonderful.
along with garlic.
And everything is foraged.
Everything is foraged.